Hi everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to upgrade reverse light to LED light on my Hummer H2. It's a year model 2008. Very easy to change it, and without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the original bulb. This is how it looks. Once I'm going to change it to LED, they're going to be really bright. You need a Torx screwdriver, and it's a T27. We're going to open these. It's very important. Once you remove these two screws, you pull this one towards outside. Then you put your finger here, right on the bottom and the top. Then you pull it towards this way, as you heard, and that's it. There are two clips on the bottom, and this is on the top. That clip slides in. If you try to pull the light this way, then the clips will break. So it's very important you pull it this way. So the top one is a brake light, and this is a signal light, and that's the reverse. We're going to turn it anti-clockwise, and we're going to take the bulb off. And it's very easy. You grab it and pull it, and this is the LED bulb. Put it in, press it in. So I'm going to test the reverse light. You see how bright it is? It gives you a couple strobes, then it becomes a solid white. And when we're going to put it in, look at it. That's beautiful. So we're going to put it on a bigger side, and then there are two smaller notches, and you press it in, then turn it. That's how it's easy and simple to change it. You put the clips over here on the metal clips, and then we're going to slide it that way. So once they slide it, that goes inside like this. We'll put those in, and that's it. So this is the bulb. We took it out, reverse light, and this is the LED. We're going to replace it on the other side. I'll list the part number under my description. Please check it out in case if you need to change yours. I'm going to change the reverse light on the passenger side the same way I did it on this side. This is the night time. I'm going to show you the reverse light. Look at that, how bright light on the left side. The right side is still original OEM. And let me show you after changing both. I really like it, very bright. I love it. Let me show you on this side how beautiful it looks. Look at it, it's so clear. This is only the reverse lights are on. You can see everything very clear. Perfect. I like this reverse light. Thank you. Bye-bye.